What's going on, guys? Miguel with Purple Flare Wraps, back with another Porsche video. So today we have two Porsches that I completed in full body paint protection film, full ceramic window tints all around, and ceramic coating. I have a 911 in front of me, and I have a Porsche Macan. Yesterday we have another Porsche 911, a blue one, that we just completed a full body paint protection film as well. Unfortunately, in this video, is kind of want to be educate you if you have a Porsche and you want to protect it, you want to tint it, and you're obviously looking at options. You want to make sure you're working with somebody that knows what they're doing. On the blue 911 Carrera S 4S, the windshield just shattered out of nowhere. And we are having, and I can show you guys obviously the message, we are purchasing a new glass from Porsche, which is about a $3,000 glass. And that kind of, to me, goes to say, you got to be dealing with a shop that knows what they're doing, one, and obviously, that doesn't sound too good because the glass just shattered, right? There's nothing we did, but a shop, more importantly, that stands behind their work and is going to provide you that peace of mind. It's going to have insurance, and more important than having insurance, it's going to have ethics, and it's going to take care of you. So what we did is, before we even contacted the customer, we shrunk the windshield. We're going to install it. The windshield tint goes on the inside. We shrink it on the outside. We prepped it. And before installation, when we go to look, the glass was basically shattered. Basically a defective glass from the manufacturer with pressure on it, but we took care of it. We contacted Gaudium Porsche, we ordered the glass, and we contacted the customer. We got it taken care of. Unfortunately, there is a backlog or a wait on that windshield, so we are having to wait a couple days, a couple weeks to get it, but the guy's getting an OEM windshield, and it's getting 100% taken care of by us. And when the windshield comes in, we are going to be tinting the windshield at that point, one, and we offer the customer to tow truck the car to his house so he didn't have to drive it with the glass having some cracks. Without further ado, I'm going to flip the camera and show you guys the installation of the PPF on both of these vehicles. This 911 has a full body paint protection film. This customer spoke with us for months as he was waiting for the vehicle to be, coming in from Germany. While the vehicle was on the way, he also did a lot of shopping around. He came to our shop, he toured some other shops. He decided to go with us because he understood that we're going to provide him the quality that he needed, the quality that he wanted, all the wrapped edges, the warranty from XPEL being 10 years, quality of installation, and a competitive price. I'm going to show you guys closely here. All the edges are wrapped on this vehicle. So, I mean, some people watching this video are going to think I'm lying, that there's no film on this car. However, I'm going to do my best to prove it. Let's get close. You can see a little edge right there. You can feel the edge in here. Everything is wrapped around. There you go. Let's go ahead and open up the gas cap. You can see the edge right there on the gas cap on the inside. See the edge right there on the gas cap on the inside. And check out the corners. I mean, it's a quality installation is what we provide. So fully wrapped edges, full body paint protection film on this vehicle. We do have a shop mechanic. We do have scanners that are synced with Porsche, so we do take out the mirrors, we do take out the handles before installation, so we don't have a seam right here like it is standard with the paint protection film installations for most shops. So by removing the mirror, we can do this in one piece and make it look seamless, make it look flawless. We do put it back, we do connect the scanner to the vehicle after that and clear any codes that may come up and get it looking nice, get it looking good. Clear up all the codes, get you to pick up your vehicle. This car can basically be driven off-road at this point, as all the surface of the paint is protected with our XPEL 8mm paint protection film. And every single edge, again, is wrapped. And I'm sorry to keep beating kind of on the wrapped edges dead horse, but a lot of people don't do that. And they'll basically end up with the film being around here, which looks terrible. In our case, clean installation, all wrapped edges, beautiful finish. You can see here how we are forced to use a template, and there's going to be a seam right there. There you go. However, you cannot even feel it. Look, if I roll my nail, it doesn't even catch on there because the seam is properly put together. So we are using a combination of a template, but we extending the template, so we don't have to cut on the car. We extend the template to wrap the edges. Then we have this Porsche Macan, also full body paint protection film, fully complete. Another one that you cannot see anything on it. It's a little dusty right now because it's been sitting outside. The customer is out of town for a couple of days. He's gonna be picking it up today, but everything's wrapped. Hood is done in one piece. No seams on there. That is a large hood, 84 inches by like 67 to 70 inches. So most shops will have a seam in the middle of the hood or three pieces in this hood. We do it in one piece. We do it right. Ceramic window tint all around as well. Both of these guys opted for a clear film on the windshield. So basically you can't tell if there is tint, but you can definitely feel the difference on the heat rejection. Anyways, guys, just want to show you guys quality of installation. All wrapped edges, clean install. When a PPF is done and installed, the PPF should look like that. It should look like nothing is there. That's what we provide. If you want to get your Porsche protected with our paint protection film, give us a call. We're located in 7585 Commercial Way in Henderson. We specialize on paint protection film, ceramic coatings, window tinting, and car wraps. And what I mean by that, because that sounds like a lot, is we have installers that provide each single service. So we have a paint protection film installer, we have a window tint installer, well, two of each. Then we have commercial wrap guys and color change guys for the vinyl wraps, multiple of those. That allows us to provide the best service and the highest quality in every one of the departments. If you have a Porsche, you waited for it, you love it, you want to take care of it, you give us a call. We will provide you the best possible service. I guarantee you that in the Las Vegas area, we'll provide you the best quality of installation and a very competitive price to give you the peace of mind that you deserve when you're driving your car in the Las Vegas roads. Thank you so much for watching Miguel with Purple Flare Wraps, 7585 Commercial Way, located by the Valley Automall. Give us a call and thank you so much for watching our video.